In this tutorial, I will teach you how to sell items on the Dubizzle, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on the Dubizzle, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you're going to do is you will place an ad first. So just click place an ad and choose a city on where you want to sell your items. And for me, I'm just going to choose this one, and after that I need to choose the categories of my items. So if it's either a job, a motor, so properties, etc, etc, but I'm going to choose motors right here. So after that I'm going to choose what type of motors, so cars for example. And after that, for a car I need to input the VIN or chassis number. And I can autofill or I can do it manually, but if you have an autofill you can do it, but for me I'm going to do it manually. So I'm just click I do it manually, no thanks. So after that I'm going to be in this page, and I just need to input all of this information: the model, the year, the price, the issue, and the phone number, and also the kilometers. All of this I need to input it. And after I'm done with this information, I can just click next. And after that I just need to provide more information: the pictures of my car, and the title, the place on where the customers can buy my car, and also a short description about my car. And yeah, that's it. So after I input all of this information, I just need to click next, and that's it. My ad is placed and people can see it now, and they can avail for my item. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can sell items on the Blizzards. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.